doesn't.
Oh, it doesn't spin.
This is Rockingham.
We made it to Rocco. Seems unnecessarily convoluted to get out. So what are we doing?
We are waiting for Dawn. We're in Rockingham and she's going to pick us up and we're going out to Penguin Island to see penguins and to hang out on the beach.
And for people who don't know who Dawn is?
Oh, Dawn is an Australian friend of mine that I met in 1988 on a crazy trip up to Prudhoe Bay, Alaska.
Don't want me, I'll just have a chat to myself. It'll eventually stop, I hope.
It's supposed to be like a sign of genius or something. People.
Oh, well,
so
there
I'm
we
like,
go, see?
what the heck? I'm just going to keep talking to myself. Coffee?
Gotta go to a cafe called Tango's.
Emergency exits are located.
Penguin on display up on the rocks here. She's getting ready to molt, and all the other 8 penguins are at some stage of their molt. Basically, they're replacing every single feather on their entire bodies. Happens all at once, takes about 2 to 3 weeks from start to finish, and while they're molting, they're not waterproof, they are stuck on land. We do have 10 penguins in here. These 10 penguins are permanent residents here in the Discovery Centre. So they are all in here for a very good reason. These 10 beautiful little birds have all been deemed unsuitable for release back out into the wild. Little boy asked us the other day if we ate the rescue penguins. We definitely don't eat them. We're going to release them wherever possible. The average life expectancy for one of these birds is just 7 to 10 years, so not very long at all by human standards. We do expect them to live a little bit longer in captivity. Similar to people, they do develop cataracts, they do start to lose their eyesight as they age. And they become much slower swimmers as well. They're easier targets for predators. They're safe to catch their way swimming in the wild. So we do expect them to live a little bit longer in captivity. Keeping in mind though that the average life expectancy is 7 to 10 years. Give that enough having fun. So they are they're very special little penguins in here. I would just quickly say, I should have pointed out whilst that's actually, but these birds are fantastic swimmers. You can see they're pretty clumsy on land. They have very short, they appear to have very short wiggle legs. Their knees are tucked up within their bodies, so that very typical penguin bottom makes them pretty slow and clumsy on land. Although they are fantastic climbers, they can actually jump up to about their own height, and they have very sharp claws, very sharp beaks, and very strong flippers. They use them when they're climbing. But when they're out swimming, they're very watery, or they're very streamlined. Nemo is one of our beautiful penguins here, of course. He is molting, so he's getting all his new feathers grown through. So you can see he looks like he has patches of feathers missing. What happens is his new feathers push through, his old feathers fluff up, and when they fall out, those new feathers are already inflated, ready to go. So it takes about 2 to 3 weeks from start to finish. Their feathers are a little bit like a wetsuit for them, so they're really tightly overlapping, nice and watertight, and they're really curved as well. They have little air bubbles in under their feathers. Keeps them nice and warm, but also keeps them nice and buoyant as well. They can float on the surface with no effort at all.
There we go. Penguins in the wild.
That's cool. Yeah, we've got to see some.
That was a nice day.
It was a nice day. Good company, fun, good food. Got to see penguins in the wild as well as penguins in the rehabilitation center. Yeah, this is a nice day.
It's already 5:45, so we've been going for like 9-10 hours now. Heading back to Perth now. With another adventure tomorrow on another island.
That's right.
Attention, smoking is not permitted on transport.
Why cooperative venture.
I know, teamwork.
Our oldest penguin here is actually still in bed at the moment. She's sleeping in, and she has a very good reason for doing so. She will be celebrating her 23rd birthday. She's very elderly. These guys staying here, they are fantastic ambassadors for their species. So you do get to see a little penguin when you come to Penguin Island. You get to see how they move, how they interact with each other, how they eat, how they swim, and learn a little bit about them. And they do actually take the pressure off the wild penguins. We found since we've had these guys here, the wild population has actually been much healthier. There's less pressure on the wild birds.
3 weeks without food.
God. I could do with it though. I don't know that I want to be starved though.
Yeah.
What did you see?